Learning English easily and simply. Learning English doesn't have to be hard. In fact, it can be fun and easy if you use the right methods and stay consistent. Whether you are a student, traveler, or just want to improve your communication, this guide will help you start your English learning journey with confidence. Why learn English? English is the most widely spoken language in the world. It is the key to talking with people from different countries, finding better job opportunities, studying abroad, watching movies and reading books in English. Learning English opens doors to a bigger world. It's a global language. More than 1.5 billion people speak English. It's spoken in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and many more countries. When you speak English, you can talk to people from all over the world. It helps you travel. English is used in airports, hotels, restaurants, and tourist places. If you know English, traveling becomes easier and more fun. It gives you better job opportunities. Many companies need workers who speak English. If you want to work in business, technology, or international companies, English is very helpful. You can study abroad. Many famous universities are in English-speaking countries. Learning English gives you a chance to study in the USA, UK, or Australia. Enjoy music, movies, and books. Most popular songs, movies, and books are in English. When you know English, you can enjoy them without translation. Use the internet more easily. More than half of websites are in English. Learning English helps you search, read, and learn more online. Make new friends. With English, you can make friends from many countries on social media, games, or online communities. English is not just a subject, it's a bridge to the world. When you learn English, you open doors to new places, new people, and new ideas. Learning English can feel hard, but it does not have to be. You can learn English easily and simply. You only need a little time every day, fun stories, and easy practice. Let us explore how you can do that. How to learn English easily. 1. Start with simple words. Begin with everyday words like hello, goodbye, thank you, please, family, food, school, work. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily and use them in sentences. Learn the names of things you see every day, like apple, book, door, sun, car. Use flashcards or pictures. Mini story, the apple and the book. Anna is a girl. She has an apple and a book. She eats the apple. She reads the book. Every day she says, apple, book, apple, book. Now Anna remembers 2 words in English. 2. Listen and repeat. Listening helps your brain learn the sounds of English. Try watching simple English cartoons or YouTube videos, listening to English songs or podcasts, repeating sentences out loud. Listen to English songs, stories, or short YouTube videos. Repeat what you hear. This helps your brain learn the sounds. Mini story 2, the talking bird. Ali has a bird. The bird says, hello, hello. Ali laughs and says, hello, too. Now Ali and the bird talk every day. 3. Use pictures and flashcards. Visual learning is powerful. Use flashcards with pictures and words. Apps like Anki or Quizlet are great tools. Speak English even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are good. They help you grow. Speak with friends or to yourself. Mini story 3, the brave boy. Tom is a small boy. He goes to the shop. He says, "One bread, please." The man smiles. "Here you go." Tom is happy. He used English and got bread. 4. Speak every day. Don't be shy. Practice speaking with friends or family, in front of a mirror, with a language partner online. Even simple sentences help build confidence. Mini story 4, The Lost Cat. Sarah lost her cat. She says, "Where is my cat?" She looks under the bed. No cat. She looks on the sofa. No cat. She opens the door. Meow! It's her cat. 5. Read children's stories. Begin with easy English books or story apps. Reading stories helps you learn vocabulary and context, understand sentence structure, enjoy the process. Learning one word a day is better than learning 10 words and forgetting them. Just 10 minutes a day is enough. Mini Story 5, The 10-Minute Student. Lena learns English for 10 minutes every day. She watches one video. She learns one word. After 1 month, she knows 30 new words. Tips for beginners. Be patient. Learning a language takes time. Make mistakes. It's okay. Mistakes help you learn. Practice daily. 10-15 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Mix learning. Use videos, music, apps, books, and games. Final thoughts. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Every word you learn is a small step toward success. Make English part of your daily life. With time, you will speak, read, and understand better. Remember, learning English is a journey. Take one simple step at a time and enjoy it. Learning English takes time, but you're doing great. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more powerful stories and learning tips every week.